like the old school look, and you can just style them with anything.
I think I just love a really simple block colour sneaker, so I love how simple they are. Whether it's a baggy trouser and a tight top or a baggy shirt with some cycle shorts, that's kind of my go-to look.
My Dunks make me feel confident. I love wearing them with literally anything in my wardrobe, and they're just a style staple that you can put with anything.
I personally prefer a high top. It's the same with my Jordans and my Dunks.
The Dunk Highs, and particularly my football greys, I just feel so confident, comfortable, and just love the way they look with any outfit. I feel like Nike have really stepped up the game with colourways. The range of colourways now that you can get is just so vast, and they suit almost every single style.
Now it's way more accessible to the general sneakerhead and sneaker lover.